What is the Boulevard Rule in Maryland, and why is it important for my auto accident and personal injury claim? Hey folks, John Leppler here, personal injury lawyer right here in the Baltimore area. And I represent my clients in their auto accident, injury, and wrongful death claims all over the state of Maryland. Today I want to tell you very quickly about what the quote-unquote Boulevard Rule is in Maryland and how it may apply to your auto accident and personal injury claim. The Boulevard Rule is a long-lasting rule in the state of Maryland whereby a motor vehicleist, a driver who's coming off of a side street, has to yield the right-of-way to other drivers who are operating their motor vehicles on the main road. And this makes sense. If you're operating on a main road in a town and you have somebody coming out from, say, a parking lot or a little side street, they absolutely have to wait and yield the right-of-way to the persons who are driving on the main road. So what happens if you get into an accident where you're driving on the main road, somebody comes from a little side street, and either you hit them or they hit you? The other driver is presumed negligent, and this is so incredibly important if you decide to pursue a personal injury claim. Several of my clients have been in situations where they actually strike the other motor vehicle. They're driving on the main road and they strike the motor vehicle that's coming from a side street, and they're hesitant about maybe pursuing a personal injury claim. You should not worry about this. If you're driving on the main road, whether or not you strike the driver coming from the side street or they hit you, the other driver will very, very likely be at fault. And if you suffer injuries, lost wages, and have severe pain and suffering for your suffered injuries and want to bring a personal injury claim, you should absolutely do so. These types of claims always require an experienced personal injury attorney fighting on your behalf. If you or a loved one got into a situation and suffered injuries in a motor vehicle accident where they were on the main road and you think the other person was coming from a side street and it wasn't their fault, feel free to call me at 443-955-1989. I do this every single day and would love to talk to you about your situation. Thank you.